You probably heard about vitamin E, but didn't know why is it so good. So first of all, here it is. It's like this liquid, but it's a bit of like a sticky, thicker texture. In pure product, I use pure vitamin E as a preservative because it's a very, very good antioxidant. And this amazing ingredient is considered an antioxidant superstar, and it is one of the most well-known and researched ingredient as an antioxidant, both when taken as a pill and when used in skincare. And why is that? Well, it's protect the first layer of the skin from ultraviolet rays, so sun damage first. Also, it increases the effective of sunscreen to get inside the skin and protect the skin better. So again, sun damage. And it's reducing the formation of free radicals that come from the environment and other skin stressors. It's also required, good vitamin E is required for production of collagen, which is the support system of the skin and make the skin stay more firm and healthy. And vitamin E has also a beautiful moisturizing effect. The application of vitamin E in its purest version is also, besides reducing the skin damages, it's also reducing the wrinkles effect, and it's also reducing the water loss in the skin. So overall, a beautiful ingredient. You can find it in most of pure products. You can use it as it is as well. Like I like to put them on the lips. It's really nice for the lips. And yeah, so find your vitamin E and use it.